What's going on, guys? Hayley here, also known as Hairytornado. Today I'm just gonna film a little vlog for you guys. Josh is playing golf. First up, let's pack some orders. Alright, so we sold a hat in bin number 7. There's this Oakley hat with a camo mesh back. It sold for $15 plus shipping. Next up, we have another Oakley hat in the same bin. A little bit different, not like a mesh back or anything. This one sold for $14 plus shipping. Next up, I'm not going to show you guys because it's actually in the office, but it's a signed photo of Deadliest Catch Captain Andy. This sold for $13 free shipping. This sold to Mark in New Caney, Texas. So thank you so much, Mark, for your support. Next up is in the X file, and it is a set of 12. Let's get them right here. Set of 12 Wishin golf grips, and these sold for $30 free shipping. Next up, we have a golf club. Let's see, there it is, and it is a Titleist. It's a 60-degree lob wedge, pretty sure. BV Vokey design. It's a little rusty, but it actually still sold for $25 plus shipping. Next up is in W, and we have, let's see, I think it's this one. This is the original power supply for the Sega Genesis, and I'm sure if Josh was filming this video, he could tell you exactly where we got it and how much money we paid for it, but I can't remember that kind of stuff. And this sold for $10 plus shipping. Next up is in the Joey Bada bin. It's this New York Yankees hat. Pretty cool, camo green hat, and this one actually sold for $15 plus shipping. Next up is another hat down in here in the 8 bin. Let's see, there it is. And then it's this Gone Fishing hat. I thought it was really cool because it has tassels on it for the fishing lures. I don't think it's really branded or anything, but it's got Gone Fishing on the back. Super cool. This one sold for $15 plus shipping to a viewer. His name was Trenton from Lincoln, Nebraska. So thanks so much, Trenton, for your support. Next up is this pair of Converse flame shoes. Fun fact, Josh actually bought these for himself, and he realized that he doesn't really like the high top shoes.
I have no problem with high top shoes, but Converse are very narrow and I have pretty wide feet, so as sad as it made me, I did have to sell these shoes.
But if y'all know Josh, he really likes these flame shoes, and they actually sold for $32 plus shipping on Mercari. So I'm now in our guest bedroom where we have been storing all of our shoes now that they don't fit in the garage. This was a viewer sale. I actually bought 2 different pairs of soccer cleats. So we have these Nike Mercurial, and we have, let's see, and then we have these Diadora soccer cleats. I think we took a pretty low offer on both of these. We've had both of them. Hey, Mos. So the 2 of these together we sold for $22.50 plus shipping, and this actually went to a viewer named Timothy in Henderson, North Carolina. Happy to offer y'all some support. Keep up the awesome content. Happy holidays to you and yours. So thank you so much, Timothy, for your support. Next up, we have these, let's see, Echo Sport, and these are actually a yak leather. Really cool pair of shoes. I think we've had these for a little while, and we're happy to move those out. These actually sold for $30 plus shipping, and these are actually going to a viewer in Columbia, South Carolina named Matt. He said he's buying them for his wife. So thank you so much, Matt, for your support, and I really hope your wife likes the shoes. And for the final sale of the day and the best sale of the day are these Jordan 8s, I believe, in this retro black color. And these sold on Poshmark for $120 plus shipping. Such a great sale. Along with all of our eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari orders going out, we also have 20 of our slob posters. Huge shout out to each and every one of you that's been buying these. We cannot explain enough how grateful we are. I think we've sold probably 90 from this current drop, and we have plenty more to go. We're just kind of putting them out in small increments just so that we're not overwhelmed. But again, we're just really appreciative of each and every one of you. All right, got all the orders packed up. I'm gonna put them in here so we can put them in the car and go to the post office. Josh is back. Hey Josh, what are you working on?
So I talked about this on Instagram the other day. What is up, you guys? When I get excited about something, I tend to ramble on and on, which is exactly what happened in this video. So I'm going to jump in here and give you the abbreviated version. Right now, when you guys buy a shirt or a hoodie from us, we use what's called a print-on-demand company. It's a company that makes that one item and sends it out to you directly. But because they are doing the majority of the work, they also take the majority of the money. And we also don't get to manage the quality of items that go out. We haven't had very many issues, but occasionally there'll be something wrong with the item that we don't have control over because we're not actually sending it to you. So we bought this embroidery machine because we're going to try to thrift blank items and then clean, process, and embroider them ourselves to turn those into unique, one-of-a-kind merch pieces for you guys. That's basically all I was trying to say here, but it took me like 6 minutes to explain it. So hope you guys get the picture. So we had to move the embroidery machine outside because we just do not have room for anything else in our house. So this is going to be the official embroidery machine spot. I actually finished these two pieces today. This is just a regular black t-shirt, size 2XL. I think it's vintage. It's a Fruit of the Loom. It doesn't say made in USA, but it looks like an older tag. We'll still have to wash it. You can see like the frame of where the hoop was. We're just letting it sit out here for a minute. That's what the embroidery looks like on that one, just solid black. And then on this blue one, this is another Fruit on the Loom men's extra large sweatshirt, but we did like a bleach tie dye with this one. And then also yeah, that one turned out really cool. I wish I would have used a slightly darker thread. Like it would be cool if the thread and the embroidery matched like this gray. So I might like in the future when we do this bleach tie dye, like wait for it to be done and then like have a bunch of thread and then try to match the thread to part of the area of the sweatshirt, if that makes sense. But since these are the first two items that we will officially have for sale in our handmade merch, we're going to be listing them on eBay on auction. 7-day auction starting today when this video drops. And then whenever they sell for, 50% of that money will be going to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. So definitely check out our eBay store if you guys want to place a bid on these items. These are a couple of the other shirts that I've been working on over the last couple of days that we have not embroidered yet. This was a solid purple shirt, and that's how it turned out with the bleach tie-dye. I think that one's looking pretty good. This one, the front didn't really dye much. We got the bottom and the sides a good bit, but I think that one's going to be pretty good. That's a Theory extra large. This is a Gildan extra large. And we got this Jockey large. I just like sprayed it with the bleach spray bottle and I left it on the back porch to dry and Mose went and stepped on it. So that is Mose's paw print right there. So I'm excited.
One and only.
One and only.
A signature from Mose.
Exactly. Yeah, I think that one will sell really well. We're not going to auction off all of them. I don't want to like make it impossible to have like affordable shirts from us. We're just auctioning off those first two just to get things rolling. And once we start making these and start churning them out, we're going to just list them, buy it now, either on eBay or on our website.
All right, let's load up.
It's on. Just shove it.
Josh is pulling some golf clubs out of our death pile to take to play it against sports. However, the car is like completely packed.
I think I'm going back. After the flea market the other day, we went to like 2 or 3 Goodwills and didn't redonate any of this stuff.
Oh, yeah, we love doing that. We love putting a bunch of stuff in the back of the car to go to Goodwill and then go to like 5 Goodwills and then not actually donate any of the stuff.
You think that'll stay?
No. All right, walking in Goodwill.
Pretty excited, even though we've been here. This is the 3rd time we've been to this Goodwill in the last like 5 days. But you never know.
You never know.
Never say never. Justin Bieber. Did not find anything in the hard goods section. Looked at the shoes, looked at electronics and all that stuff. Well, that's kind of cool. But I didn't see anything. So I'm heading back over to clothes, see if we could make some money over in this section. Guy Harvey shirt. Probably not that good.
There's just 2 of them in the same size. Well, just because they have the little like fish embroidery.
Oh, I didn't know they had the fish. That's kind of cool. There's 2 of them like that?
Yeah, same size. Mediums.
I actually might get them. They're $4.75 each, and because they're the same size and they both have the fish, I think if we sell those together, we could probably get $30 plus shipping for the pair. Here is an interesting shirt. It's a pearl snap. This is where these like white pearl looking buttons like snap together. It's a Hard Rock Cafe, size large, and it has this really cool like guitar embroidery on the bottom. Oh, and a cool embroidery on the back. The back one's kind of loose. Yeah, I'll probably pass on it. If that embroidery on the back was intact and in good condition, I'd probably I'd probably scoop. That's pretty cool. Thank you so much. Have a good one. That's everything. There's a pretty big line coming out the door, but we're pretty close with these post people, so we can probably just take our stuff directly to the back and drop it off. They got that thing today.
Leave it in the box. Okay. Yep. Right.
I will say, if you guys have to go to a regular post office with regular postal employees, I would never recommend just dropping your packages off without getting them scanned in. But this post office is a government contracted post office, which is almost like a franchise of it's like a privately owned franchise of a regular post office. And they have always scanned our stuff in. We trust them. The best. Yeah, it's definitely the best. So we're here at Play It Again Sports. I got this full set of Mitsubishi clubs with this bag, a couple random clubs here, and that set of Acuities over there. We're gonna go in here and see if we can, I don't know, see what they'll give us in cash, see if they'll give us in trade. I'd be willing to trade all these clubs for some, you know, store credit. We could get one really nice club that would sell really fast on eBay, at least a lot faster than any of these clubs would. Hey, how are you?
What's going on?
Living the dream. How about yourself?
Living the dream.
Right, we got a full set of Acuity left-handed. I think it's a full set. I added those wedges. Those wedges are right-handed, but the full set of Acuities, full set of Mitsubishis, whatever. They're with, I replaced missing the 6 iron, so I added a tailor-made 6 iron in there. It's got a putter, wedges, and then 3 random clubs.
All right. If I do 20 with you there.
Okay. $20, $25. You can have both of them. If you'll take it, I'm probably just going to take it to Goodwill.
Well,
honestly.
here I was going to offer you 10 for the bag, but passed on the club, so I'll give you 30 for all of them.
Okay.
It's $50.
$50.
Yeah.
You gonna make me spend the money that I just made on these golf clubs?
See, now it's only 20 bucks.
Yeah, that's right. All right, you heard the lady. There you go.
All right,
Thanks,
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
This will take up a lot less space than 2 golf bags. So this is the lap pull down bar that we got at Play It Again Sports. I realized that some of you may not have understood what we did, but basically we traded all the golf clubs we brought for $30 in store credit. This lap pull down bar was $50, so we paid like $21 for this after taxes. It hooks to a pulley in the ceiling that I installed myself, proudly. Figured out where the stud was and screwed it in there. And then you can put plate weights or dumbbells on the other side and then work your back out a little bit. Obviously, I would use way more weight than a 35-pound, obviously, because my back is not. The old one was a little bit shorter than this, and it had like weird handles on the side. So
Right
what Hayley wants, Hayley gets. Remember that. We're gonna come to one more Goodwill before calling it quits for today. We haven't been to this location in a long time. Like, I don't even remember the last time we came here. It's been maybe with my mom like 2 months ago. So it should be entirely new inventory to look through. The electronics section is looking pretty thick today. This VCR is only $3.94. Looks like somebody plugged it in and it didn't work, maybe. Yeah. But maybe just the plug. Maybe it's the plug that doesn't work. Yeah, so the plug works. So this VCR does not work. It's kind of sad. It's probably a $50 or $60 unit if it worked. Black & Decker oven down here looks super clean. That thing doesn't even look like it's ever been used, but they want $26 for it. A little steep for me.
Yeah, you say perfect for support your friends. See, this is a Ralph Lauren, extra large, 100% linen. That's pretty cool. Just found some Athleta leggings and they're like a really cute pattern. These are adorable. Ooh, here's a pair of new with tag Levi's from Macy's. Pretty cool.
I got pretty excited here. I thought we found, I've never found a pair of Nike Vapor Max anywhere, flea market or any of that. Bubbles look good, but on this one there's a big hole in the toe, so that sucks. These are a pretty small size too, but these were probably, even in this condition, if it wasn't for that hole right there, this is at least 50 bucks or so. I got this pair of Coogee boots down here. I think they're fake though. This is 11. Yeah, that leather is like cracking back there, and if it was real, it would not be falling apart like that. Found this nice thing. Oh, there's two of them. Well, that one's slightly different. This is a Polo Ralph Lauren XXL 100% silk men's sweater. It's got like the cable knit look to it. No stains, no holes. It looks like a true 2XL. Like, I don't think it's been shrunk or anything like that. This is only going to be, I think, $4.75, $5.75, something like that. We should be able to get, I'd say, about 30 bucks for this plus shipping. So definitely worth picking up, in my opinion. And this next one, this looks cool. It's 100% cotton, so not silk, but still 2XL, and kind of cool. I mean, it's like the black, not black, blue and white stripes. I think this is pretty interesting. Oh, it's got a little stain right there. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with it. It's got a stain on it.
Well, guys, it's been a really productive day today. We've had a lot done. We shipped out all those packages. We went to Goodwills and played against sports and all this kind of stuff. Now we are gonna be walking that guy over there. He's excited.
I'm excited.
And maybe do some listing tonight.
We are not gonna do any listings tonight.
Yes.
It is way too late to be doing
I'm listing. But I mean, if you have liked this video at all, give it what do you say?
Hit that thumbs up button.
Hit the thumbs up button, and if you are not already subscribed, you should subscribe to our channel.
It's free. Just do it. Just do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you so much.
And catch you on the next one.